Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Hello, everybody. It's me with a new vlog. Today is Saturday. I'm running some errands. So I just want to really just introduce this vlog and tell you guys good morning, good afternoon. Hope you guys had a good week. But yeah, right now I'm headed. I gotta go to just 2 stores. It's currently like 2:19. I need to get some stuff for the house, just some groceries for the peoples. Probably give me something to eat. I'm not sure yet, cause this week, y'all, has been kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie, and this is the first time I picked up the camera all week. Y'all know I was trying to do the 75 hard challenge. I may have to lighten up because I had got the second day I got sick. I've been sick mostly all week. I haven't really ate. I know I lost some weight because at all week I probably had one real meal, like one real meal. That was yesterday. Yesterday was the first day I could eat something. That was last night, Friday. So I've been kind of sick, so I haven't been doing 75 hard as far as working out anything because I have been under the weather. It's like I didn't have an appetite, and then I started throwing up yellow stuff, and it's like I was nauseous. I don't know what it was, but it's like, yeah, it had me out for about a week, all week. I was straight, I could work and everything, but I couldn't eat. I had no appetite, and I was scared to eat because the way my stomach was feeling. So I don't know what that was, but yeah. But yeah, I'm going to the store right. And I was going to the wrong Walmart. I'm going to Walmart first, and then I'm going to this Publix. I'm gonna get some stuff for the house. I do plan on going to church tomorrow, so I was gonna do it all tomorrow when I got out of church, but I was like, I don't want to waste my whole Sunday, so I'm just going right now. And plus, my dog needs some dog food. So I hate this little truck, the Tesla truck that's behind me. It looks weird, but anyway, that's what's going on right now. I just want to, like I say, introduce this vlog, tell you guys, hey, that you know what's going on. What I have on right now is a 50X Savage outfit that I had. It's the top and the bottom, some sweatpants, and I got a jacket over it. Nothing major. I did wash my face. I was gonna do a facial, but I just sprayed some rose water on my face, so I may do that later on tonight. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. We're going with the flow for the rest of the day, but yeah, we're going to run these errands first before anything. So I'll be back, you guys, when I get to the store. Yeah. All right. So I am at Walmart. I got me a list that I'm gonna try to follow what I need. So let's get inside and see what we can get. Hopefully we can get everything on the list. Let's go.
Only thing that's saving you.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch, I do it all. I won't cry, I'm scared of you. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it.
I didn't really need to get a lot from Walmart. Mostly was the dog food. And his dog food, I should have got another one. Cause it was only $10. Usually it's 11, but then you go somewhere else besides Walmart, it's like 14, 15, and it was just $10. It was rollback, so I should have got 2 of them, but he have a little bit left now. I just went ahead and got them because I know the next couple days he may run out. So yeah, so headed to Publix right now. I got some of they buy one get one free that I want to get, so that's what we headed to now. So let's get to Publix. Together, and back together, better, good, we feel good.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turned?
So I am back. I did stop by the gas station, and it was this guy. When I went inside of the gas station, he was selling shea butter, so he gave me some samples. And when he put it on me, it actually smelled pretty good. The texture of the shea butter is pretty good. This one, he had different scents. This is Lafayette, inspired by Lafayette Bond 9. And the name of the company is the Mother's Gold. So he put the samples in here and he put the name of it. That smells good. This is the My Word. That smells good. This one is inspired by Noletta Bond 2. His packaging was good, and his whole setup was good. I ended up supporting him and got a small butter. First of all, what I liked was his bags. This bag is good quality. His packaging is professional and good. He was a young black man, probably like early 30s. Good quality packaging, and he actually have his label on the bag that he gives out. Again, this is the Mother's Gold Scented Shea Butter. You can buy it at mothersgold.com. There it is. And then I got his card. It's going to be Mother's Gold Skin Butter. And he also sells, he had soap, he had sprays, and I think he had scrubs. I think he had all kinds of stuff. But his locations, and he actually got 4 locations. He's in the Mall of Georgia. He's in Stonecrest. He's in Grand Bar Mall. He's in off Terra Boulevard. His handles is going to be, well, this is logo, so y'all can see it. Y'all can scan it, QR code. But yeah, it smells good. This is the pomegranate. That's the scent I got, and that's how it looks. It is soft, and it actually have a little glow to it. I was noticing that even when I drove home, and I still smell it to this day. So the scent is long lasting, don't go away. But again, his packaging is good. So if y'all would like to support a black business, I will say go for it. Quality and everything is good. Packaging, very professional. Yeah. So yeah, I just put up my groceries and stuff. I didn't show y'all what I get because I do that a lot. So I don't want to, like I say, be repetitive. I think this is the same one I got. Oh, okay, I got 4 different ones. I don't let my sister smell one. But, yeah. I'm about to chill out. Probably find something on TV to watch. I got some clothes I need to wash. Some stuff I need to do around here. So, I'm finna do a little bit of that. And probably just do what I need to do today. So, tomorrow when I go to church, it's going to be more chill day. So, yeah, I'll be back with you guys when I get settle in, do what I need to be done. I'll be back with you guys. Alright guys, so I am getting ready. So tonight I had a date. I got a date. So last minute, kind of not. It was supposed to be yesterday, and I mentioned today, but I didn't think it was really gonna happen, but it looks like it's here. So I am getting ready to do my makeup so I can get dressed. I got a little over an hour. It's really not even that far up the street, so I'm just trying to make sure I got everything. So yeah, I'm just going to do a little speed through and show you guys. I'm just gonna wear a dress and some tennis shoes, nothing major. Again, it's last minute. True. So I'm just gonna speed through because I'm gonna watch some YouTube while I get ready. So y'all guys enjoy.
Boy, we wasting time. Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see your eyes, I want you to feel. How you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Kissing you here, fucking you right, loving you there, loving you right. Fuck with a pro. Come baby, fuck with a pro. When you gon' let me know. I've been kissing you slow. Fuck with a pro. Come baby, fuck with a pro.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever.
Alright, so I am dressed. I got on this little black little body dress, and I got my Adidas shoes on with my jean jacket because it is wintertime, and even though it's kind of warm outside, I want to have a little light jacket on. This is my jean jacket I got from Fashion Nova, so I am going to wear this. I gotta put my lip on as well. My hair just a little curly fro. I'm wearing the tote by, what is it, Michael Kors? Is that Michael? Marc Jacob, not Michael Kors. And I do my lip. I'm going to do, this is MAC Chestnut and Velvet Teddy. And then I got my lip gloss in my purse, so I just got my phone finished charging. Let me do my lip. So put y'all right here. Alright. Teddy. Perfect. And all I need is some lip gloss, and I'll put it in the car. I need to lotion my legs, and I'll be ready to go. So let me get that. I'm going to see if I can get something on my phone, because I don't want it to be awkward. But if not, I'll talk to you guys in a little while, probably afterwards. Let me lotion my legs and head out. So I got like 10 minutes to get there. I'll be back out. So, hey guys, I am sitting at my desk chilling. Y'all know I said yesterday that I was trying to go to church, but it was pouring down rain this morning when I woke up, so I didn't go. So I watched it online. So next week I will be going. It was, when I say I woke up to get ready, had my alarm and everything, and it was pouring down raining. And church I'll be going to, it's a little walk sometimes, so I know parking was going to be an issue, so I was like, I just watched it online. So I end up doing my hair, put it in a twist, and I kind of trim like I dust the ends of my hair. So it needed like a little trim because it's been about 6 months. So I dusted the ends to put in a twist. I finna get ready to take a bath in a minute, and I want to do some editing on my videos. I'm watching YouTube right now, so trying to get some ideas of what I want to do to my hair and like different little styles I can do with a twist out, braid out, because y'all, like I told y'all, me and hair is not, I try my best, put it like that, but I am trying to be more intentional and yeah, be intentional about how I present myself and how I look. So yeah, True's right here eating his dog food, so that's why I keep trying to open this door so I can keep an eye on him. But anywho, I don't want to ramble too much. Let me take a bath and get myself together, and then like I said, I'm gonna watch some YouTube and edit. I got 2 videos I need to edit. So yeah, we gonna do that. So I'll be back with you guys when I actually get settled to the next clip. So